Good morning, this is Marty here from Fresh Front. Just running you through a job that we're working on today. It's quite a large one out at Fitzroy, and we've got a lot of sandstone pavers that the boys are cleaning up, and we're going to be resanding and sealing and just bringing them all back to life. So we've got two machines on the go. We've got one of our utes here. We've got the other trailer running as well, and we've got these sort of pavers, so they're sort of a concrete or sandstone. Aaron's just cleaned all of these, he's just giving them a rinse. Pretty much what we do is cut in all the corner sections first, and then we run a surface cleaner tool over them. We even cut in all the nice detailed edges as well, just to generally make the place look nice. A lot of pavers here. Daniel's out the back on the surface cleaner. So you see how that's just ripping up the dirt. So we do a first pass with this tool, and then we come in and treat all the pavers to get the residual staining out. That also keeps them cleaner for longer as well. So the big problem with these sort of pavers, which I'll show you, is the joints. As you can see, the joints are pretty big, and if they're not set on a concrete base, which most of them aren't, then you can't really put a hard grout in there. So a lot of the times like a pave set sand is used, and it just comes out. So in addition to that, it goes pretty dirty as well. It holds a lot of moisture and looks ugly. So we're going to try and remove any of the loose stuff as we clean, and then we'll refill it with a sand that is a little bit more robust. Unfortunately, it's hard to get it totally firm like concrete, but the sand that we use should hold up a little bit longer and look nicer, and last a little bit longer around the pool as well. As you can see here at the pool, there's a bit of erosion, which is pretty common from the water and the chemicals and so forth. So what we're going to do to try and prolong the life of things is apply a silicone sealer. That'll keep the water out of the stone, keep it cleaner for longer as well, and just make the maintenance a lot easier. The sealer that we use will not leave a glossy finish, it'll just leave the pavers waterproof, so that when the water gets on there, it'll just bead off. And the big reason that they end up looking like this is because they suck up a lot of water, and that moisture allows organic growth to do its thing, and then you're left with this sort of stuff. So the process of cleaning, treating, resanding and sealing, it's fairly involved. It's quite a lot of work when you've got a big area like this. To try and do it yourself is a huge undertaking. So we'll be helping the owner of this property out by just bringing everything back to life for summer, getting it looking nice and protecting it. If we can help in any way, please give me a call on 0498 272 644. We do lots of this sort of work, and unfortunately sandstone pavers look great, but they do get dirty quite easily, so this process can make life a bit easier for you. Have a great day.